Assalamualaikum bari ngolo ngamo be konton wato nal konton la bi fana ngami sotalie wala mo honorable Boni Dabo nzella mo honorable Boni Dabo la den inshallah nen ko ko bije fana del fana zina ngala kan da kibaroto inshallah analna chairman ba Suleiman Cham YouTube channel kunku janke chaya politika biro momo e aje si subscribe inshallah ngal konton ba ke ba assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.
Assalamu alaikum badin gambianolu alnali badi malo honorable Umar Boni Dabo alay fano nyima ke kayro kono alamantri nyana kayrala alaman sutrola alaman demala alaman duwali jabila hani sa nyimbe de maroni ni kamin keta toilet oti mol minu nata no kan kafu kebe sula la public toilet la momo se mako no je yem mako je na wave number 7749446 na kachabe dami wala yinti ko Ibrahima Silla ngani Dr. Bani le dem kaw moyle kunum bari anim pita Gomes kachata nun janna binala muruna je kunum Peter Gomez anala kacha ambina wole tandila molla Ibrahima Silla munefo Peter Gomez ala coffee time lafta gambiano bese la moya ala hakilola ngalla moy nyimman sakundala ibe tamakan nin tapaleala nyamen anika banko dingol nene ni ne wala nyamen bari telefon kana murum ika fanya min fonye fan kana muru wo fanya kan kalan kenema lafta banko dingol bese la moy bake Ibrahima Silla kunum biri ko anin Dr. Manele Peter Gomez denga fo mole len koy ninta mun natita because munamu Ibrahima mol nyaabe fego minna be koyring Ibrahima ka daja wala ka fa fintale mol be nyaabe minna be koyring Ibrahima Silla ka niyo be lawol to ka be abe findine ase kali ase fati abe display la abika ke fenkam ma fala palaso abika ke fenkam ma foka Adama Barrow fasa abika ke fenkam ma kaka man sakundale fasa pro man sakundale tuje palaso min bata bulate tu palaso to drong bari Hussein Dabo ya fajanna ko ni ya jammela man sakunda min be taki na min be fo ya jammela man sakunda la kabe tamaka wala nyama amam betaya bi ni Ibrahima Silla wal nin min kata Hamid Bawulti ako hani bi wala be tamaka min tambita ya jammela marlola fang wala be tamakan andu Ibrahima Silla wal belo wala support kan ibe fundi kan ko tilimbale anin jenko le defend ibe fundi kan ko banko dugol forcer ka soyto law maral kurungala ngamaral kurungo min kele Hussein Dabo e nyinne fo bari nimmi ma understand isala kumo jeko abe APRC agents kanne wala ya jam hani Dabo be min foka man dar APRC agents kan andu nga bakso moyle ako Hussein Dabo be APRC agents kan hani bakso je Hussein Dabo be min foka wala nyindi ko nga ya jamela man sakunda kele minna fo Ibrahima Silla wal borta ning Hamid Bawul be bi Ibrahima Silla ning Hamid Ba be man sakunda konole bar wo ku kilo min Adama ya jamela man sakunda kelala wala be tamakan Adama Barrow man sakunda kono Adama wo kilimbali kilingol sembentuya ayo corruption kilingol sembentuya andu nyimmoli mimbe akefo Ibrahima Silla wolu kata Hamid Bawul wali bebe loring Adama Barrow koma ka corruption o ta kalo ndim banko kan ka corruption o fasa ka kilimbali fasa ka jenko fasa ako amanyen na kela wo nyama katunga ya jemme kele wala jang so nite mo kele kuriyala bari ti fanan nata wo man sakunda mare nata lo kuriya kele kan wala mu nyinti ko Usen be mi foko lo minti ko sa ni tele man sakunda ta man banko digol na fa fenna because banko digol be mi muila deun dati fay kelo ke ya jemme man sakunda bondi yete sindi hani bi wo ku kele be tamaka min tambita wala because ni aden ka fu min tambita wala ni moy suñaro nin tilimbal yake ay moli faaye bute ite lotete Adama Barrow le woli be lankenema ko ibe mol TRRC le jane commission lo nyin jane commission le tandiro ke ko do banko la na fulo le tinyata TRRC a je ko banko do le butele e fa ite Adama Barrow le obe kenata wo mol tuje hansa wala be marlim man sakunda le be do kam banko do la namola ngana mol ko e bilo samba dibite buto pourka ya jamme kitindi ibe ya jamme kitindo no kan sutatili bar mol min mo faake mol bute mol kasara ibe nyim banko ke be man sakunda kon do kola yenya kasu walla banal be anjela ko dia ku ya ko fale ya jamme kitindi ali o bilol sama dibite moto so baso je tanyanta nyinne suute la ko Usen Dabo man tar ya jamme no kan mimbe ya jamme no kan kaje ko ka kitindani APRC womu Adama Barrow leti anita ya jamme min ya lon ko ali ba no kan dia ko ala kaje ko faay kiti ite ya jamme mutale ke ka samba kito leni mol tuje minu mo fani mo buteke ibe system ko do wala fanan be man tora la wala nyama de ya jamme samba drong alon ko nulite tulaje so andi mala feka ñu samba kiti wala so ban sakunda be takantanni Ibrahima Silla wudu na fata wala man sakunda ko do wala be lorin min ka wala mu jenko nin tilimbaliati ka fasaro ke kuya min man ke tonyati pour italla palaso min be bulay tuje Silla moy hakilola Ibrahima Silla ni Peter Gomez la diamo e min kenum last week danni ngani Dr. Manebe benna kunum ali be se la moyal hakilo la aka munefo Ibrahima Silla ning Peter Gomez ali la moyala Minister of Works.
Total number of roads under this OIC banner to be built, apart from the Bertil Harding Highway, because we are hearing that it's gone down from 20.
Ya moyle ako silomi ba do ku kam Bertil Harding Highway ako ya moyle ko ya jindi 20 kilometers e dumale so say ngalla mo yatela Ibrahima Silla la.
No, it's 20 actually, it's 50 kilometers overall, and also Bertil Harding, which is about 22, 23. So it's about 70 something kilometers.
Okay. Ako, no, it's 50. All OIC road, kana Bertil Harding Highway, ako is 22. So means 72 kilometers roads ibinawale dokula. Say hansa ngalla mo yala ha bismillah Ibrahima Silla.
And even Bertil Harding, just to clear one thing, Peter. Bertil Harding is not a gift.
Okay, ako Bertil Harding manke gifti wala ma manke soroti koma manke sada kodoti kodo min nyanta duna Bertil Harding Highway amanke sada kodoti amanke gifti so ngalla mo Ibrahima Silla
to the government. In fact, we are the biggest contributors in terms of financing Bertil Harding, about $33 million of Gambia government money.
Okay, $33 million ako Gambia Mansakunda wole ke wosilo kang. Itollo mu biggest contributor to Mansakunda, coming Gambia biggest contributor to coming momi ye kodijama keje, Gambia le o keje. Okay, wodolo minu ya lonko ye la kodo keje, akamin tandina wolo mu woli en dontole nyanta kale jo. O mu dontor kodol ti nyanti jolale. Hansa ngalla moy.
Been spent on Bertil Harding.
So when you say Bertil Harding is not a gift, you want to clear the notion that
it was a gift to
the full funding of the construction of the Bertil Harding Highway was taken up by the OIC, because that's what people think.
Okay. Peter Gomez ka bembe mfo ka jawle intiko niko amanke gifti amanke soroti sada kodoti. Okay, ika min tandina wala mu OIC man nyin silo doku. Coming OIC, itelman fenke nyin siloto. Peter Gomez ba nyin ka ko lawla is out of OIC. Coming OIC man fenke je. So alila moya hansa alila moya la dro.
Actually, all money is going into the construction of the OIC have come from the OIC.
No, let me give you a breakdown. For example, the force and even Bertil Harding, just to clear one thing, Peter. Bertil Harding is not a gift to the government. In fact, we are the biggest contributors in terms of financing Bertil Harding, about $33 million of Gambia government money is being spent on Bertil Harding.
So when you say Bertil Harding is not a gift, you want to clear the notion that
it was a gift.
The full funding of the construction of the Bertil Harding Highway was taken up by the OIC, because that's what people think.
Actually,
all money is going into the construction of the OIC have come from the OIC.
No, let me give you a breakdown. For example, the first phase of Bertil Harding, Gambia government contributed $26 million. The Badia, which is the Arab development, they contributed $20 million. The Kuwaiti Fund at 19.8, and the Islamic Development Bank 14 million. That's about 79. Now, because this project was costed about 150, the overall project. So when we did not have enough funds, we said, continue with the first phase. As you go along, you continue with the mobilization of funds.
Okay, so $79 million mobilized for the first phase.
Yeah, then the second phase.
Okay, yeah, mwele. Ako Bertil Harding Highway $79 million for the first phase wala sotota kodo nyimbe nyande sambal $150 million le. You understand? So coming for mu OIC ma phone Gambia Mansakunda e kodo kejele min tata for $26 million aning badi wolum arabol la bankido bije wo fane dole keje nindo do keje so alila mani Peter Gomez la de Peter ka jaka yandi nyameng aka aforlon de nyama alila moy
our share and contribution increased to 36.8 million. Badia maintains their 20 million.
The
Kuwaiti Fund also maintained their 19.8, and the Islamic Development Bank increased their funding from 14 million to 28.9. So overall, still, Gambia government's contribution of 35.8 million is the highest among the funders. So
yeah, mwele. OIC silo sa ebota battle handing highway le inata OIC la main road sign comme contribution o min kata je abe wala fo kan ko Gambia ye la contribution o lafa hotel wala samba 35 so body eta lafa dole eta tu anoto min yan ko they are funding the project but don't rolo ma manke ko yan so alal de don't rolo ma lila mi anim Peter Gomez la.
This has to be cleared so that people understand.
We put $35+ million
into the battle hardened. So it shows the seriousness of the government of the Gambia and our commitment to ensure that we provide the necessary infrastructure for our people of this country. Even the 50 kilometers of the OIC that we are doing in several other areas within the Greater Banjul area, it is not a gift to us, it's a loan, although a concessionary loan. But the Gambia government is going to pay this.
Ali amoyle ako OIC silo sali wo fram mo lo fran senata la ko amanke soroti OIC silo mi ba do ku kay don toro leke wo don toro man sakundale bo jola ako OIC silo e don toro leke man sakundale bo don toro fanan jola sai OIC la na janga na fale OIC o to lo man tol na fa fenna because nga lon ko ni OIC kana OIC ka silo ka kodo ti di man sakundala le ya silo phone ne silo nyum phone ika hotel of nan phone wala nyama OIC ka phone nyini wala kam kana o banko kan ka 5-star hotel lo ka silo doku motel be borla ndamen bara te ko man sakunda e don toro leke ko silo doku alila mo yala kende ke daga tan wan sai Ibrahima ha bismillah
No, service, fully service.
How revealing? Why are we calling them OIC roads then? The OIC is not funding the roads, so why are we giving them the...
They are coordinating. The OIC office in the Gambia is coordinating the mobilization in collaboration with the Ministry of Finance and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
Yala William Wile. Yajala man fadi amanto nya fajang. Peter Gomez kayele ko mol minnu man kodo dundi koto. Minan na ike to dundi woto ko itolle o silo phone. Minan ne ike marandi o silo la. Ako mu Ibrahima Silla ko wolle bo silo coordinate kan. Wala ne ka fa OIC road. OIC le bo silo coordinate kan. Any Minister of Finance and Minister of Works. So ali ni mwele. Mol mi ya lon ke man dala so ke silo tete ke man bututu keje. Ali be silo min do ku kan man sakunda e don toro lake. Andu man sakunda fa contribution ke je mol min don to kodola Abdullah min don to kodola wala tole fotanting. Badi ning Arab Islamic Bank ning Kuwait fund. Akoy don tole. So don toro tol banku dingol le bo jola. Banku dingol la do ku kodo mi ya dundi la silo kunto ya do ku. Ita ka modo tai ka tola o silo la ko si ole bo silo do ku kan. Ali amra ni sake no to nyati. Ning OIC man yin silo lo. Imera kodo keje. Ika OIC to kumando la amra adama boro fokse so wala. Adama boro so na wala di. So amanke to nyaleti. Ali wala nan kala Ibrahima Silla bika to nyafo. Asa ngalla mo hansayi. Ali la mo abe mun fokan be nyimbe mutalla ngana murundu ku mo be la mo yala kotake. Isaje nka na kuntung. Ata hansa Ibrahima ngalla mo.
Yes, so these are loans. Yeah, well, they have the same.
Gambian taxpayer is going to pay for these loans.
And that's why we should have a tap on our back because it shows the commitment of the Gambia to have innovative ways of
Let's not link it with OIC. That's what I'm saying.
Exactly.
Because anybody who hears OIC road project will believe that OIC, is providing all the money.
But no, it's not providing all the money, but they did a tremendous job for the mobilization.
Yeah,
and it also, dispels this notion that I always see certain elements,
Abe sauna atala fila ni weje kasaba.
Because the OIC is gifting the Gambia government all this money. No, we are the largest contributors of these OIC funded road projects.
Question: Why is it that only one side of the Bundung Highway is provided with drainage, leaving? Now we are talking about.
Okay. Ali amwele Peter Gomez ba deka ndeka ndemenna. Wala mtu nyati. Mole man ko dikadameng. Ima phone. Ite wolto la o silola. Ye marandi o silola. Ko le bo silo do ku kan. Andum banko dingol ite ko don toro ke banko tolle bo jola ndro fuaron. Iko banko la kodole dun taje. Iko don toro min fanan ke banko dingol le ba jola. Mina ne bol kumandi la o silola. Ako wolle bo silo coordinate kan. Wala ne kumandi wala. Yalo di moto fo hakli kendo fo te mirala no. Bar sa ngalla mo ala fulla isa de molsa analyze no. Ngalla mo ala full story la isa de molse ila moy no Ibrahima Silla ni Peter Gomez la kendeke isa analyze no alila moy.
It's gone down from 20.
No, it's 20 actually. It's 50 kilometers overall, and also Battle Hardin, which is about 22, 23. So it's about 70 something kilometers. And even Battle Hardin, just to clear one thing, Peter, Battle Hardin is not a gift to the government. In fact, we are the biggest contributors in terms of financing Battle Harden. About $33 million of Gambia government money is being spent on Battle Harden.
So when you say Battle Harden is not a gift, you want to clear the notion that
it was a gift to the
full funding of the construction of the Battle Harden Highway was taken up by the OIC, because that's what people think. That
actually,
all money is going into the construction of the OIC have come from the OIC.
No, let me give you a breakdown. For example, the first phase of Battle Harden, Gambia government contributed $26 million. The Badia, which is the Arab development, they contributed $20 million.
Yeah. Lafanga yimbe sambana. Ikana kuntu. Kuralela mo yala kendeke.
And the Islamic Development Bank, 14 million. That's about 79. Because, this project was costed about 150, the overall project. So when we did not have enough funds, we said, continue with the first phase. As you go along, you continue with the mobilization of funds.
Okay, so $79 million mobilized for the first phase.
Yeah, then the second phase, our share and contribution increased to 36.8 million. Badia maintains their 20 million, contribution. The Kuwaiti Fund also maintained their 19.8, and the Islamic Development Bank increased their funding from 14 million to 28.9. So overall, still, Gambia government's contribution of 35.8 million is the highest among the funders. So this has to be cleared so that people understand.
We put $35+ million
into the Battle Harden. So it shows the seriousness of the government of the Gambia and our commitment to ensure that we provide the necessary infrastructure for our people of this country. Even the 50 kilometers of the OIC that we are doing in several other areas within the Greater Banjul area, it is not a gift to us, it's a loan, although a concessionary loan. But the Gambia government is going to pay this, fully service.
How revealing? Why are we calling them OIC roads then? The OIC is not funding the roads, so why are we giving them the
They are coordinating. The OIC office in the Gambia is coordinating the mobilization in collaboration with the Ministry of Finance and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
So these are loans.
Yeah, well, they have the same.
Gambian taxpayer is going to pay for these loans,
and that's why we should have a tap on our back, because it shows the commitment of the Gambia to have innovative ways of
let's not link it with OIC. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, because anybody who hears OIC road project will believe that OIC, is providing all the money.
It's not providing all the money, but they did a tremendous job for the mobilization. And it also, dispels this notion that I always see certain elements, spread out, that these things are happening because the OIC is gifting the Gambia government all this money. No, we are the largest contributors of these OIC funded road projects.
Question.
Okay. Mimbi jesani Ibrahima Silla ko lon pour kasilo doku. Ye lon neta. Ni lon approve ta muntole fo National Assembly le lon approve mans Adama Barrow na la ministre ibang pour ka lon ta ka dulo ta ka nyim silo doku bang because ma kalamuta lon approve ta wati jamale. Ngamin understand wala mintiko OIC le be nyin silo doku la OIC le be 5-star hotel lola bar Gambia la contribution on OIC la koto wala mu ye 200 million contribute la ngajela wo approved from the National Assembly 200 million min approved from the National Assembly wo 200 million on nyenta tala compensation on te mol min la dulali boy ngani budget to sotel I will just get back to the budget nga jibe ko take 2020 2019 2020 or around 2020 2021 I have the budget nimbo budget to 200 million so say wole approve so ni approve ko 200 million nyen bola banko la ranke sokono min nyenta mol buluma sendro kala mol la wo silo kan be damen nu boyla sani minena député de sila ka kodo taka approve comme ça kunda nyenta nyin ka mole dontola pour ka OIC silo doku anin ka 5-star hotel lolo because ibele be ku kilima kono anin batel handing highway ka je doku minene man approve ke kodo nyinna because mamo e ko approve ne approve nan tema kala muta bari Ibrahima Silla safonye député le ning approve wati jamal pour tore don toroke because ning ibe silo doku la silo mimbe ko ning anya total député bugolto député le siala pour ka approve yalon kuni bo fo kan ayla be borkan ako PPP man jara kata député bonto abe aussi falle fo kan kunun so Ibrahima Silla ning Adama Barrow ning man sakunda be tenne kallo ka kumo fo min manke toñati ka defend ka faniya fasa yeni yola because ndolbe ngalo ne ko mankuni nyaawnya mankara nyaawnya bar ngalo ne ko silo min be ko asi silo nabe do ko la député nyanta ko do nyim approve lal bara ko to le don toro lake so malon ko do approve ta muntu male ani to le bitata député bunja mado fo jino la député bu ngol be bulu bang itata de men bang e na approve de malon so nyinde be kering nga sawnu ko take sallamo ibrahima sillala be mun fo kan ko ta kanin hansa nga continue ibrahima sillala bismillah
Yes. Now, the road, you remember the Latrikunda road that linked Latrikunda with Sukuta, all the way to Sukuta main mosque. That one also, the drainage works are being completed. It's an already built road, so it's going to, just to scrape it, level it, and then put the better, stronger layer asphalt on that one as well.
Ako silo liming ibe do ko kan silo min bota Latrikunda ka dun Sukuta la jame oto. Yala natala danta Sukuta la bade koto amon futa jame oto adanta bade kolto kabo bade koto ila football filo be damen kabo oto ngamiti modi kamitin damen kanafo jame oto jeman doku adanta bade kolto wala denda wol abol fo kan tenting baralila moy masibo min keta ofaranta nin jakal ko min keta jali sila moy ofaran.
So in total,
and while we're in Sukuta, we'll come to the total, it's important. And while we're in Sukuta, you remember this guy was always texting.
Yes.
When you were information minister.
Yes.
When nobody thought one day actually he, Ibrahim Masilla, would be in charge of roads.
Yes.
And since you became in charge of roads, he's been messaging and messaging and messaging.
Yes.
What's the situation?
The situation is that
this guy who decides, he has to build, whether it's a house or whatever, right in the middle of a road.
Yes, we have engaged the contractor on the physical planning to ensure that the right thing is done. If it is found out that he's actually on the road corridor.
Aliya Mwele korda ala korda be lorin silo kan bungo abe lorin silo le kan molla korda be katar lorin silo ke e katara ni silo tema 10 meters kataraje nyini min kebe sila sanendo le kaboyi e kawobe boyi so Peter Gomez kan nin kaminna nim mari minna korda fon be lorin silo kan in the middle of the road minan na ima wo boyi ay boje akoy tole ibe tamandro ke ka wolale kaje ko wonyen tabola jele ali la mo Ibrahima Silla de kaje ko wonyen tabola jele bar nyin kendingo danni be ftala jen so fale nyin kendingo iko anin Adama Barrow mala frenneti Adama Barrow ma terleti wala ne man hani ka kendingo la bumo boy silo kan pour ka silo doku ay fta jamen bato ali la mo yalla de kende kadin ansa ga Ibrahima Silla ga
Definitely the appropriate steps will be taken to carry out the necessary demolitions so that the road works can continue.
And the ridiculous, the most ludicrous thing about this case is, well, according to the reports we have been getting all along, is that this obstinate person has only as his backing excuse, whatever you want to call it, that he's a friend of the president's.
I don't know whether that is true, but he went to court. I think the community took him to court on 2 separate occasions, and the community won.
On both occasions?
Yes, on court. The court ordered that that particular portion should be demolished. The new minister of lands has been briefed, and he also briefed his people to go and do the findings, and then
Okay. Peter Gomez kan kabino ndiko nga moy ko nyin kendi mu Adama Barrow la frenneti aterlo mu okay Ibrahima Silla kamin fa jabiro min diolo min diko akata malum fole be kering bari community molu kendi wa mi ala ko rabe lorin silo kan ako community mola signor ya samba kitio la ya win ya samba kitio ko take ya win ya samba kitio ko take ya win for several occasions bar han saning among son silo bulala ala ko rabe lorin silo kanne oto Peter Gomez kamin fa ko Adama Barrow la frenne wala sabatita wala mtonyati akata ma wolong bar say momi samba kitio la win anu kitio ya diko nyinna ko da nyinta bola silo kanna nyinta boyla le pour silo e continuer ay futa nyinta futal de mera nga faale janda be nyim fula silo mo futa jamen bato akabe fo futa jamen bato sukuta jamo silo mo futa jede silo danta ila football filo ma fon la bade ko ma fon la so nyimbe silo kan akoni yo boyle silo be continuer la futa jamen bato mo killing ite mo jelle la korda boy ya musu jelle la business otinya silo ka adama kabe sila senendo la to clean the roads Adama Barrow kabe walla fakal wakasi so konkon bar mo kili e banko be la interest o block mo kilin ko adama baro terlomo ali man hani ka boy kito ka boy na man hani ka boy ibrahima silla ka jele ni yandi tanding wannan kale nyimbu ka to nyafo ngale nyimbu ka to nyafo ako minister of land ni moli ki jele kata kiskisiro lolo mohammed bat minna ta sani akala moli ki jele kata jibero la ka kiskisiro ke ka jibe nyin ko be la nyadile bari be akala mutale because pita gomesi afal ko nga information jamal so ko adama baro terlomo nyindi so wala na man hani kala la boy han sa nga continue
report to him.
He had better avoid Hamad Ngany Kumbaba.
Yes, he's strictly engaged in ensuring that, yeah.
So if this guy is found to be unnecessarily holding up works on this particular stretch of road, he'll be dealt with according to the law.
Of course, because the law is clear, you have to have a corridor for the road. So if you build on the road and the road work is going on, of course, even the president's own office was affected by this operation, Clear the Roads. Much more if you claim to be a president. I think people should also help the president and the government. That if you claim to be a supporter of the government and a friend to the president,
and the reason why
I do the right thing.
The reason why I raised this, this is exactly how people under Yahya Jammeh behaved.
Yes,
and this was why we were in that mess under Yahya Jammeh. We do not want a repeat of that.
No,
so that is why whatever smart.
Ya moyle ako hani adama barola dula ya boy silokan ala office o mbe silokan. Okay, bardi adama barola office ya akarde ndango boy siloke kebe sila seden dolla nkali o munyama sansa waleti barsani mo kilne silo muta ya adama barola office min karde ndango boy silokan serekunda siloka abe silo kan karde ndango abe silokan serekunda siloka ala office abardi nkatarde men akoy hani je boyle yala karde yala fesle boy ala popira lo boyle boy. Okay, bar ni ninna bungale be lorin e bungale lo silo kan wala ya tinna silo man continue no ka futa nyanta futala dame banko be la silo banko be la interest abalanda ka boje ya samba kito ya win sa ni ta ka fo adama baro nyanta ma ko ilale ni wobe do kula adama fo la ya boyle ni adama la boy intor ya intor ma interest wala fam bar sa ni silo le nyanta continue man continue andi ko mari terlo adama baroti ya mer tonya la ka tamani banko kan ibrahima silla wol be tenne ibika tonya fo ako malona jakalo warta bak ni ibrahima silla kilingo ngamurun ko take kana do ku dole be kering ko take mi yalon ko amanya nakake barabe kering so nyina be kering banko kan ngamurun ko take alim bari ngamira bota selerone yanolam fulolum from Sierra Leone abe sabati min Sierra Leone fa amantra sabati nyande alim bari atalam mot mi yalon ko ye burfud la silo la contrat ko diatella burfud la silo min bebe tiñaring yo contrat ko diatella sanji fula contrat ko sayen sanji jelu silo bebe tiñara burfud be tiña ay contrat ko soblet ne fa batata wo mo kilingo ye contrat ko di wala kotake suguta bijilo highway ya dini mo kilingo la nye burfut be tinya imanson amutala ka kitindi ka contrat ko busiela kon ala contrat ko expata seta expata hanu ya filija be molla gambila na fu kasarala ikafa alimbari inata suguta burfut main road dia la kotake so sorry suguta bijilo la main road dia la atal bo fanan do kukan nyimmo kilimo ibrahima sillanya be nyimbelale ibrahima sillano minister of works anyanta folele manyana do ko dila wala because omu Sierra Leone anolam itate silo dia la ma do ku burfut inata sila do dia la sukuta bijilo kota ka fela bole nyafar kan abe siring Sierra Leone anata nyi wato because OIC le be kering anata nyi wato e ka ko ni OIC tambita abe murunale kunum ko suton bi del lafta fere to natalla manje ku no ay because abijanna nala musona dingo abijanna nala musona dingo abe loringa keto ka manole bo wosilo kan ka je nyambas ndan ko drong na preta sey so adama barobe na banko tinya kan tenne banko be kasara kan tenne ka kodo cika billion cika ka di lunta wala abe siringa ya kaka gambia la doku na silo na billion be na tateya e ka fanyi alimbari nyinga alimbari Musa Fati le by State House ni Musa Fati le be maring adama barola domorola bara bunjangole lo abota dameng ni Musa Fati atala marta adama domorola bara bunjangole lo abota dameng modol ko bunjang mi alo bira mabang nyin alim bari mi yalon ka tele bo woni adama baro tema nyin kende min marta nyin contrat ko la ay ni Musa Fati le bani wo tema dole ko wole wo bunjang la bangaye wole ka fe ko kumo la woti bari safale ko adama wa tele maringa la domorola bara tele be adama baro fanan nyin alim bar tema kunum suto atele be lorin silo ka nyin Musa Fati akaka do kulalle supervise so gambia bitama kantenne yenna silo billion cika ya di mola luntango ata sabatri njang ike contrat ko le dia ka gambia la silo le doku wobe siria na meta na kodo beta ya ikwa ya samba ta patila ya be siringa bulo la nyokan gambia silo be tinya la ma wori bawo mi contrat ko dia la wo man kaya gambia la wo adama baroni man sakundati wala man kaya gambia la gambia tinya ta adama baroni haji teoto wala be business wala na place olto wala te fo fanka ma inda ka bankola na fulo be kasara ka sunya alimbari ya bur fut silo dia la be tinya hani biya man banno ata je jibe yana murun kota ke sila do fanan dia la ko to sukuta bijilo ali musa ali ibrahim silla ninka nin contract mano fama lombang alonne because atel martano minister of works andu nyimmo nyinnu dan kilingolu adama baro bandu na rehabilitation di wala fanan lom hadim gemu senegalais ta be sirin gambia jang ye bandu na rehabilitation di wala fanan na min tata fo 2 billion plus ka de ko bandu nyanta rehabilitation la bandu nyanta maintenance la ay bandu be tina because aman kaya ay bandu be tina bi bandu ka flodle o hadim ge kilingo lambara sawo be Allah kumo fo kanko wala be mar import authority la sajing amarta la nyaadile port la dulan mi ya lon koy importanta ikana fulo dundi ye wobe di nyi hadim gelela akata hadim ge fan sun jibo kono banko tama la fengoti banko di wol kela namojo ye banko di wol bali la sota fengola lundango ka kala jibo kono ka samba ntol namujo lal be batarinde ntol min kan namojo nyanta continuer la namujo lalede min musolu sonoti wala mu ika namo jo man sakunda mi ya primary la nyamola aka tinya iko man sakunda le bondi be adama barola man sakunda le bondi la na namo e nafa namu jo mu wajibo lati wonyen taka nima ke kitindile bar anyen taka kifana bar niya ka na be tinya ka go mu nyaton ko liko le falin alinga adama baro falin na banko lo mo fula singola ning yin alim bari abidan ni wato kono bar ni wasi tambita bitalale andu ni wasi diamo be ken ko lunda do be jila senegal le ye sosoroke iko wonte toñati andu wolam toñati nak lun tan demale be jila senegal min yaram ke be travel la ngo fana mo ya so jande toki ila banko e safaro ke ko itina toki e safaro ke ko itina because ndenga nyum fo jande ko arabu banko la president wal tinala nan dole fanke be mo kila ko e banko dole fon tina mo kila because problem wala be arabu banko li kan so OIC fail tar ikam fail toki e message o kile email o kile ko tinano because ndol era cancel nka toki la president la musole batu aina ye supply o dol le dinna helg la karola sama tol nin don kol nin masigolu lafta wala hand over ala musole wala hand over barga information so kunun ko itinala saning so nyinne be laring gambia be nyin koleale kono adamo barola man sakunda nga falele ko ning adama be siri nyin siran kan nyim man sakunda ne titadulato gambia kata ko male drong so alela mo ibrahima silla